Okay, so I got a few queries around what does it cost to automate my TradingView strategy into my MT5 account. So just to give you a glance, as you can see that it costs around $45 a month to automate as many live orders as you want from your TradingView to your MT5 based broker account in a month, right? So you can have n number of strategies. Over here we are saying that it could be 100 or 200 strategies. It could be lakhs and lakhs of orders which are being placed automatically from your TradingView to your MT5 account at the cost of $45 a month. So I hope you understood the pricing, which is pretty simple. And just one more thing I want to add, that this $45 also includes a VPS for your automation. Yes, you heard it correct. Whatever signals that are being placed or automated from your TradingView account to your MT5 account, these will be inclusive of the VPS, which means that you need not open your system or your laptop 24/7 in order to automate your trades. So this acts as a VPS as well as the execution engine at the cost of $45 a month. So this is pretty much a bang for a buck, I would say. All right. So I hope you understood the pricing, and you have any queries, then you can just mention it in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. Thanks again for watching this video.